Hello, I'm Silvina Hiller. I'm the author of Moodle Recipes. I'm a certified legal translator and I have a post-degree in education. I have been using Moodle since its first release. I'm the author of Moodle Recipes. Section 1 deals with working with videos or screencasts. In this section, we are going to explore advantages and disadvantages of video channels. We're going to explore video resolution and aspect ratios. We're going to add subtitle and closed captions to video. We're going to add hotbox or link to videos, and we're going to optimize the touch experience. Section 2 deals with recording and listening to podcasts, sound or music. In this section, we are going to explore free sound and music. We're going to explore tools to work with podcasts, sound and music. We're going to edit podcasts, embed recordings in Moodle, and create an activity resource using the recording. Section 3 deals with images, GIFs, and photo portfolios. In this section, we are going to explore images, file formats, external tools to work with images. We're going to create different types of file formats, edit images, and create an activity resource using the images that we have edited. The other remaining sections, 4, 5, and 6, deals with social interaction or groups. Section 4 deals with written communication. In this section, we are going to deal with creating a social format course, communicating through forum within the social format course, communicating through personal messages, designing activities for collaborative work, and creating wikis. Section 5 deals with online spoken communication. In this section, we are going to explore online live speaking plugins in Moodle. We are going to explore online live speaking resources outside Moodle. We are going to embed those resources in Moodle. We are going to explore social networks and embedding them in Moodle. And we are going to explore and use the big blue button. Section number 6 deals with groups. Within groups, we are going to work with Google Docs, SurveyMonkey, with interactive whiteboards, and we are going to embed the interactive whiteboard in Moodle, and we are going to design a workshop activity in Moodle. I hope you enjoy the course.